Now we have seen our local variables. Now in this lecture we are going to see our global variables. A global variable is a variable that is declared outside a function and it has a global scope and can only be accessed outside a function. But the picture of global variable is bit different as compared to local variable. You can use your global variable inside your function by making any variable a global. How can we do that? Now let's move to our editor and make our local variable into global one. Now we still have the file of local variables.php. Now let's save this file as global variables.php. And if I show you its output in our browser, first we have our error on line 16 and then we have addition is 7. The error was because using the local variable into our function, we cannot do that. So we have this variable my number and it has a local scope here. And we cannot use this variable inside our function. Why? Because it has a local scope. So if you want to use this variable inside your function, you have to make it global. For making it global, you have to put this keyword of global and then you have to mention your variable. So in this case, this variable name has my number. Now we made our local variable into global. So this code of on line number 12 is going to access our local variable outside of our function inside our function. So let's save this one out and see it in browser. See, now we have first our number and then we have addition is 7. So if I remove this statement from here again, saving this one out, now we still have the error. So by making any variable global, you can use it in your local scope or inside your function as well. I can also add this C variable in our my number that we just made a global variable. Just have to plus this $C variable and let's put parentheses around it and concatenate it with the new global addition. Saving this one out. A file of global variables.php. Now we have new global addition and that is something, and then we have addition is 7. So this way you can use your local variable inside your function by making them global.